EGH, it's a long story since 27 years now. The story began with the same attitude of quality and not quantity. We try every year since 27 years to improve our quality in introducing educational either lectures or live endoscopy or hand-on training. By this means of quality, we try to give a very up-to-date informations to our colleagues, to our fellow all over the world. I hope that everyone will come to us, everyone enjoy staying in Cairo, enjoy staying in Marriott, get benefit of being with us. So we are waiting for all of you. Thank you.